Ever wondered how a simple shift in a function can completely change its behavior? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of function transformations, specifically for the function y equals 2 cosecant x plus 4. By the end, you'll not only understand the range of this function, but also grasp the powerful visual intuition behind how transformations affect its graph. Let's start with the basics, the fundamental cosecant function, y equals cosecant x. Notice its unique shape, with those sharp peaks and valleys. Its range is defined by these two distinct sections, from -infinity up to and including -1, and from +1 up to +infinity. Now, what happens when we multiply by 2? This scales the function vertically. Every point on the graph moves twice as far from the x-axis. This vertical stretch doubles the distance of our range values, shifting our boundaries to -infinity up to -2 and +2 up to +infinity. Finally, we add 4 to our function. This is a vertical shift, moving the entire graph upwards by 4 units. This upward movement shifts our range boundaries as well. -2 becomes -2 plus 4, which is 2, and 2 becomes 2 plus 4, which is 6. So by understanding the effects of scaling and shifting, we've transformed a basic function into a more complex one and precisely determined its new range.